Alright guys, surprise, surprise. Alright guys, surprise, surprise. We are at the noisiest place on the planet. It is called Time Zone. So it's June 10, I think, 10 or 9 or 10. This date thing really confuses me every time. So it's 24 of June. I think that should be good enough. Okay, hapon ngayon. Around 3:30 in the afternoon. So umuulan. And ayun. So we are given a chance to vlog here sa Time Zone. And Time Zone Philippines. Okay, so let's go. Oh, shoot. So, alright. Ikot-ikot na tayo. So guys, pupunta tayo dun sa mga favorite ko na ride ha. So, ito yung number 1 na parang feeling ko is talagang over the top. As in, over the top. Kung naririnig nyo, over the top. Ito. Can you believe this? This is a pony ride. Yeah, and can you believe this? We have a pony ride in here. So, ayan. To ride this pony, we have to step. Ayan. 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 And then, may pony ride na tayo. I don't know, guys. This is insane. Nakikita nyo ba yung pony? Ayan. Bababa na ako before tayo gumawa ng something stupid. So ayun, that's the pony ride. Yun yung first gusto ko dito. Yun yung first na gusto ko sa mga dito, sa mga rides. And then I guess next, actually dalawa lang yung gusto ko dito or tatlo. Anyway, kayo na lang ang mag-decide kung anong gusto nyo. Ayan. Ayun yung pinakagusto ko. Ayan, kakatapos lang yun. So, ito yung pinakagusto ko kasi may sumasayaw dyan. So, sasayaw din tayo dyan after, di ba? Parang ganyan. So, ito parang ano to. Ayan, so this is their bowling area. Ayan. I don't know kung makaka-bowling tayo dito, but let's try. Ayan. Ayan yung bowling nila. Hindi natin susubukan, guys. Ayan na. This is from my point of view. Feeling ko sasayaw tayo, guys. Ayan na. Feeling ko ito susundan na. Ayun, yun lang yung mga favorite ko dito. Mayroon ding dito, ayan. Sing something song, ayan. Ayan, gusto nyo kumanta kayo dyan. Kumanta. pa lang tayo, sasaktuhin ko na tong mga... Hindi ko pwede sa Facebook. So ayan, guys, nakita nyo to, chips all, I like that. Ayan, nakita nyo yung chips ako, sarap yun, no? So guys, end ko na yung video.